Hi guys, so today I'm heading to IKEA. I feel like it's a long overdue visit basically. Haven't been in ages now. So I thought I'd take you along with me and do a little come shop with me, show you what's new in, show you any new bits that I'm loving. To be honest, I just can't wait for the meatballs. That is the main reason why I want to go. Well, one of the reasons. But I'm hoping to pick up some new little house bits and some cute accessories. So I thought I would bring you along with me. I don't think I've ever done a come shop with me before. So I really hope you enjoy. I would love for you to give this video a thumbs up if you did. Just so you guys know, I'm heading to the Southampton store. So it is kind of like one of my nearer ones. And I will see you when we get there. Okay, so this is the first thing I saw when I walked into store, and I absolutely love this setup. I feel like it is my kind of decor. I love this little laptop tray, as you can see here. It's £12. I've actually got a white one which is really similar from IKEA, but I feel like this is a little bit different and it's definitely more sturdy. So if you're working from home like me, I feel like it is a perfect option. I then saw this setup and I absolutely love it. The chairs, the little white tables, the cushions, all the accessories on the tables I just fell in love with. The placemats actually remind me of the H&M and Asda ones that I picked up before. They're really cute. And then there was just a few little accessories on the table, so I thought I would show you guys them in case any of you are interested. But the way they've got all of this set up is amazing, and these little glasses are adorable. I just need to get my hands on them because I actually left them behind and now I'm really regretting it, but that just means I can go again. I then loved the rug on the floor. I need to get myself an outdoor rug. I haven't yet got one. This one was a little bit pricey. It was £80, but it does look really good, so I feel like it could be worth the money. But I did leave that one behind because I feel like I want maybe like more of a stripy one or sort of a bit more of a pattern to it. I then saw my classic £1.25 candles. You cannot go wrong with these. And then I moved on to this pink kind of blush throw. I absolutely love this. I think it is so pretty. And again, this whole little setup that they've got going on here was definitely something that I love. It's like my style. So they've got some cushion covers, the pink ones and the pattern ones. And then they've also got some green ones. But the pricing for these is really reasonable. And I definitely recommend having a look. I feel like these would look really nice outside, and they have got the kind of gardeny theme. So this was something that made me realise I actually need to get some outdoor cushions. The green one's cute, but it's not really my style. But for £4.50, I thought that was a little bit of a bargain. So guys, this next area is perfect for you if you want some spring, summer outdoor accessories. I feel like they've nailed it. The storage box, the plants, the cushions, all of this area I just love. And of course, I then eyed up another throw, which I really didn't need, and I did actually end up coming home with this one, but for £10, I couldn't resist. You know what I'm like for a new throw. Absolutely love them. I also like the colour. So although I didn't pick up any of the plants or anything, I thought it was important to show you because there are so many in there and so many different styles that there will be something that you like and something to suit your garden. I absolutely love the little bench with the pink cushions on it. Obviously the black one's there too, but I feel like the pink one is spring-like, and the cute little table next to it. So this is a little theme to think of if this is something that you want to do to your garden. It's all about making use of the space, and for £70 I thought the bench was a good price. Okay, so if you want some cute little flowers and a cute little vase, then look no further. This little bunch was adorable. I love all the colours, and the cute little vase was just like made it for me basically. So I had a little browse here, and then I moved on to the next section, which again involves some cute little flowers, and again another throw that was very popular. As you can see, there was people coming over all the time grabbing them, but it was only £8, and I thought this might look quite nice on the side of a sofa, and also maybe like just for a bit of detail. It's quite thin, as you can kind of see here. The tassels and everything are quite thin on this one, so I feel like it's probably the thinnest throw that I'm going to have, so that was my excuse to buy it basically, not that I needed one. Another really cute setup here, but this is just kind of the wider picture for you to see. Different coloured throws. This little vase, how similar is it to my Asda £1.50 bargain that I painted? This is obviously just a bigger version, so if you don't want to go for this one, then head to Asda and get the smaller one and paint it. This little vase here, I thought was, I don't know, it was quite unique, and they're everywhere at the minute. So I thought I'd show you that one, and of course the little flowers. I really wish I got those now actually, because looking back, they look so cute. Okay, so I'm not going to lie, when I saw this sofa and this whole setup, it literally made me want to redo my whole house again right now. The sofa, the cushions, the colours, they were all something that I absolutely love. So I had a little play around with the cushions and decided that I was actually going to chop them just to see what they look like. So this one was £7.50 for the cover and the other one was £13. So as you can see, I felt like it was my chance to do a little bit of rearranging, see what they look like. I absolutely love the throw behind it as well. But I feel like once I gave them a little chop, um, the setup was perfect. And I'm not going to lie, I really, really, really want this sofa and the cushions now. But obviously my sofa is grey, so that's not happening for a while. But how good do these look? I feel like this little corner is such a neutral dream if you like that kind of aesthetic. So definitely check out IKEA for those if you're interested. I literally went from one neutral corner to another. I love these two little tables here. They're £55, and again, I love the sofa. I feel like white sofas and white kind of furniture is in everywhere at the moment, so hence why you're seeing a lot of it. But I absolutely love this. It looks so comfy as well. But the tables I thought were nice, and the little plant on top gave it that bit of added detail and made it feel a bit more homely. Okay, so I feel like this is turning into a little bit of a throw haul, but this one I thought was a little bit different. I really liked it. It doesn't really go with any decor that I've currently got, but I feel like it adds a nice little statement piece in this setup. So as you can see, it's like a navy kind of pattern, but I loved it with the cushions that they've placed it with. I wouldn't really necessarily go for it myself, but I feel like it just goes to show how a throw can make all the difference to a kind of like grey charcoaly sofa. As you can see, my description skills are on point, but I did think it was quite pretty, and even the cushions I thought were really cute and a nice florally pattern. Next up, I saw this chair of dreams. I feel like this is just literally a chair that I would absolutely love in my neutral room. I feel like for £150 it's a really good price, and you see these always on Instagram, like people have them in their houses as like a statement chair. And to be honest, I wish I had room for this because I would be getting it tomorrow if I had room for it, because I just feel like it's so unique and I love the kind of like crochet vibe. So, and the green as well really looks nice with it. Okay guys, so if you're looking for some garden furniture, then look no further. Or if you've got like a small outside space and you want a little bistro set, then this is just perfect. This whole area, I'm not going to lie, I was stood there for a good like 5-10 minutes just looking at it all. I absolutely love the black chair and the little table to go with it. So as you can see, the table was £40 and it looks really cute with the chair, which was £75. It's kind of like that rattan-y effect. It says on the label that it's grey, but it definitely looks more black. I just loved that whole setup. But then I also absolutely loved the little bistro setup. I feel like the little cushions on the chair was really cute. So the chairs were £20 and the table was £25. But this is perfect if you've got like a balcony or you have limited space but you want somewhere to sit out. I just feel like IKEA have nailed it with these two areas, and they're definitely making me want new garden furniture. I literally want to pick them both up and put them in my garden. I love the whole style, the plants. The way they've laid it out is just really, really nice. Then I thought I would show you these cute little prints just because I was passing and I feel like they were quite nice. There was literally only two, but I absolutely love them. This was just like a little passing view because I then found this dreamy area, which again, like it was just everything that I love. The way they put the little hanging plants are cute, and again, another cute print. That's also the cushion that I showed you earlier. It's making another little appearance, which is probably a sign that I should have got them. Again, a nice little throw there and some cute little accessories, and I can spy my candles in the background. Here we have a white throw, which I was so tempted to buy, but I didn't go for it. Something was telling me, like, as much as I loved it and as cute as it is, just not to go for it. Maybe it's because I don't know if I'll use it, but it's kind of like a really dainty material. Don't really know how to describe this material, but it is so frilly and really quite thin, but it does look really pretty. So if you're looking for like a new white frilly kind of throw, then definitely try it out. It's called the Ophelia one, as you can see there, and I'm sure it would look so nice on the end of a bed. But yeah, I was like toying between getting it and then I just decided not to. But as you can see, it's like a really thin material, almost like a bit netty, if that makes sense. Then next up, this little setup was giving me hotel room vibes. I just love the glasses, the ice bucket, the little tray, and the stopper behind it. which was only £10 by the way, and I love the pattern on it. But yeah, it was giving me hotel vibes, and not gonna lie, I'm kind of living for it, kind of wish I got it. But yeah, definitely a must have if you want like that kind of vibe. Okay, hello pantry goals. How unreal would this be in your cupboard or like your pantry, whatever you want to call it? The storage is a whole new level, and that just gives me so much satisfaction. So there's a few different size jars available, and I just put two on the table to show you. So there's this one which is £1.75, and again I'd use that for like pasta or rice, and then the other one which was a little bit bigger was £2.50. So both really budget friendly, but they make all the difference. So just a few little dining essentials at the minute. Again, there's the little placemats. They are my favourite, as you can see, that kind of style I love. Those napkins, by the way, are also really cute, but I just kind of got a little bit carried away here. I was looking at all the different types of placemats and all the decors that they had available. I absolutely love these little like trays with the little forks, and of course the champagne glasses and another ice bucket. But yeah, this little set was really, really cute. And then of course some more glasses. This is like never going to be my kitchen, but I still loved it. Then let me just tell you, this is my little bedroom of dreams. Everything about this, I literally wanted to jump straight into that bed. I love the bedding, I love the little fake plants, I love the print on the wall. I literally just love everything about this setup, and again, I stood in there for quite a long time just looking around, wanting everything. Even like the little detail on the shelf, the clock, everything, I really, really loved it. And then, of course, another chair. So this one is 114. It just looks really comfy, and the little table and the sort of like book rack next to it, I thought went really well together. And again, that neutral decor that I love. I then made my way through the marketplace, and I'm loving these storage containers and boxes. I feel like they're that kind of like rattan-y boho vibe, and really, really like them. So I had a little browse here for a while, but I didn't actually pick up anything from here. I just was kind of browsing as I went through the marketplace, but they've got some really decent sized ones. These ones were only £15, and I quite like these. I'd quite like these to put all my throws in. Let's be honest, I need all the storage help I can get. I then finished up in the flower house. There is literally a colour for everyone, so many different styles, so many different colours, and I just really love the variety. There are quite a few little vases and cute little pots as well, which make it really cute, and then you can kind of like mix and match whatever your look you're going for. I'm not going to lie, the pink ones did stand out to me. I really, really like them, and all the pink flowers. Again, I'm just a sucker for anything girly and neutral, in case you can't tell already. I absolutely love real flowers, don't get me wrong, but obviously fake flowers are so pretty, they're so easy to maintain, and I just feel like you get more of a variety. Like this bunch here is like my ideal. Anything with like a pop of pink but also a little pop of colour, and these ones were absolutely beautiful. Again, I could literally stay in here for ages, but I'm not going to lie, I don't really have that many fake flowers in my house. I'd love some of these ones because I feel like they're really neutral, and I also feel like they'd go in any room in the house. But I did finish up looking at the rest of the kind of like plant area, fake plants, fake flowers, just getting some ideas and some inspo for next time. I absolutely love these planters also. I feel like there's a little variety, but I'm not going to lie, after I had a little browse here, I went straight to get my meatballs, and they were heavenly. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.